friends, today I am going to make Oreo modak. Let's see its recipe. Like, we have taken some Oreos, okay? You can take any other biscuit containing cream inside it, okay? Of chocolate flavor. Now, we are going to take out these Oreos like this, okay? Now we have opened all the Oreos. Now we have to take out all the Oreos cream. Like this. You can take it out from the knife also and from the back part of the spoon also. Okay. Like this. I will show you. Like this. You have to take out the cream. Okay. Now we have separated the cream. Now we are going to mash it like this. We have to take our two hands and we have to take all the cream in our both hands. Now like this. We have done it. Okay. Now we have made a dough here of the Oreo cream. Now we are going to grind these biscuits. And we are grinding this. Like this, we have to keep these biscuit pieces in this. Now we have to put it like this and put it here. See, now we have grinded the biscuit. Now it is looking like this. Now we have to make a dough of it by using this type of malai. Okay. Now we are going to make the dough. Now we are adding malai to it. Like I have taken here 1 spoon. And if we require more, then we will take more like this. Now I think so it is done. Now I am going to make a dough. Now we need some more malai. See. Now I have taken the malai. Okay. Now I am putting this here. Now I am going to mash it again. Now we have made a dough. See, you can see. Now we will take little amount of this dough and we will do it like this. Okay. Like I am doing. It will look something like this, you can see, okay? You can see? Yes. See, now we have made like this, okay? Now we will put some cream of it in. Like this. We will put little amount of, okay? Okay. Now we are shaping the modak. Like this. See? See, now we have made these modaks. See how beautiful they are looking. Thank you for watching this video. Bye friends.